In this video, I'll show you how to change the default send button text, which is visible in the Shopify contact form. And for the purpose of this example, I'm using Don theme. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select online store. Now locate your current theme, in my case it's Don, then select three dots, and then click on Edit Default Theme Content. Once the page loads at top right corner, click on Search and Filter, and then search, just type the name of the button. In my case, it's Send. Now scroll a bit down until you find the contact form section. In my case, it should be right here. It's going to be under Templates, and right over here, you can change the send button text. For this example, let me change it from Send to Submit Form. Submit Form. Once you've made the change, at the very top, click on Save. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to your website and try refreshing the contact form. And as you can see, the button text was successfully changed to Submit Form. So as usual, I hope you found the short video useful. If for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.